Olá a todos que acompanham o Pleno.News, eu sou Tamires Andrade, estou na premiere do filme Som da Liberdade e estamos aqui com o diretor e roteirista do filme e nós vamos fazer alguns questionamentos a ele. Hello, Mr. Monteverde, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I want to know, how did you get the idea to write about Tim Ballard's story?
Well, this was a movie that found me. I didn't look for the movie. I didn't wake up one day and say I want to make a movie about child trafficking or child abuse. I woke up one day knowing that I had to do something about this, and I started writing a screenplay about this subject matter, child trafficking. So this movie almost felt like a calling.
It's like a mission, a purpose.
Like a purpose, yeah, like a mission.
Okay, and what was it like directing and writing the script of a film with such a deep message?
It was very difficult because I had to figure out how to write a movie that audiences can actually enjoy. Because at the end, it's a movie. You come to the movies to enjoy a movie, not
It's kind of entertainment, right?
entertainment. So how do you entertain people with such a heavy subject matter?
Okay, and the film earned hundreds of millions of dollars and surpassed blockbusters. Did you expect such success?
No. No.
It's a surprise.
Complete surprise.
How do you feel?
Amazing. Excited. And I'm just excited that there's this movie revealed that there is an audience that like to watch movies like this.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Monteverde.